Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Openshot tutorial how to increase volume. As example, I will insert four files. I will use this file, click open, and then you can insert the video into track. The next, I will separate the video with audio. You can right click and then choose separate audio, click single clip, and this is for the audio from this video. So if you want to increase the audio, you can use the volume tools. You can click in here, but first you need to move into the first timeline, and then I will set like volume into 3, click outside. Now you can see the volume will be automatically increased into 3. You can set again, like in here I will set volume into 5 and click again outside. The volume will be increased into 5 times. Okay, that's it for a basic Openshot tutorial, how to increase volume. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.